Hello and welcome guys. We are doing well. So in the previous video you saw how you will be able to create a chatbot within the Telegram and how you will be able to start communicating. Now in this video you see how you will be able to access the user details from where you are getting the message. Okay, so you can access the user details by accessing the code. Then you'll have the details like this from details, the chat details, then the date will have, then the actual text, what is coming from the user will have. And in case it is a bot user, you'll also see here, yeah, it's a yes. So this is the normal user. So I am trying hitting to this particular bot. You see here the bot from my personal account, and that is why it say the false. Okay, so let's quickly jump to the code how you will be able to do that. Well, so under update, you will find everything, whatever you'll have coming from the Telegram itself. Then you can get the chat ID like this. Then you'll have the message like this. Then, in case you have to get the first name and the last name, you will get like this. Okay, so message, then the from. You see here, this is the message. Then from. Okay, so let me try this online. So JSON beautifier I am going to use here. Yeah, beautify like this. Well. Yeah. Let's see what the hell is happening. Yes. So it's an error here. But yeah, now you can see clearly here. So from is something like this. Then you'll have ID. Okay, so if you access the from this, you can access the first name, last name, language. So these information you'll be able to access. And if you try accessing the chat, you'll have the details like this. Chat ID, first name, last name, type. It's a private chat. In case you have to access the date, you will be able to access like this. Correct? So these are details you will be able to access from the user. The message is coming. Now, based on this data, you can perform all the backend operation here, and you can respond back to the user accordingly here. Got it? So this is how you will be able to access. In case you have to return the complete details along with this, you can also return this one. But I have encoded whatever the coming from incoming. I can give the response like I have added here. Okay. So if apart from this start, I type any message. Hi guys. So it will be returning full details. Okay. So this is followed by this message and whatever you have entered here. Okay, so this is how you will be able to record the details of user from where the message is coming to your bot. So that's it from this video. Thank you for watching and have a great day ahead.